In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your Amazon affiliate link for any product, or you can link to specific pages, or just you can link to anything on the Amazon website. Here's how. So what you need to do once you've signed up for the Amazon Associate Program is make sure you're logged into your Associates account. This is going to give you this bar, which will allow you to generate links. To sign in, go to Google, search for Amazon Associates, and I'm going to put here US, because you need to sign up for the Amazon Associates site for the country you want to promote on. So if you want to promote on Amazon.com, you need to sign up for the Amazon.com Associates program. You want to promote on .co.uk, you need to obviously sign up for the .co.uk at Amazon. So go to Amazon Associates and click on the website. You then need to make sure that you are signed in. So if you're not signed in already, it's going to prompt you to sign in. Make sure you're signed in. And when you're signed in, it's going to then give you access to this site stripe bar. If you don't have this, there is something you can do, right? You can go to the three lines and you need to go ahead and click on account. Then go to account settings. Then go to associates site stripe options and make sure this is enabled. And this is going to be able to enable and show this banner here. Now, if you search for any product, you will still have this banner and you can click on the product you want to promote. You can see your commission rate. You can then click get link and you can either create a shortened link or get the full link. This link will then go to this product page, and if someone buys, you will earn a commission of 4%. Thank you for watching. I hope that helped.